Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Altitude in bright white. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, wireless charging pad, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 11022A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.